What are some common reasons a DUI case might be dismissed? Attorney Brian Sloan says, there would need to be a very good legal or factual issue because dismissal is extremely rare. It would usually be that there was an issue with the officer or that the person was using the vehicle as a shelter, so the shelter rule defense applied. There might even be an issue with the lab, or there might be a factual issue concerning the identity of the driver. Even when there are issues with the officers or issues with the identity of the driver or issues with the shelter rule defense, these are cases where the prosecutors have often decided to just take the person to trial rather than deciding to dismiss the case. Most of the dismissals that I am able to arrange for ahead of time either have to do with the shelter rule defense or an issue called due diligence. This basically means that years have passed since the arrest and the prosecutor did not take the proper steps in assuring that the person is brought to trial, so the person had moved on with their lives. The prosecutor would have a duty to take steps to find the person and bring them to court rather than simply issuing a warrant to say they would find them at some point and then at some point they would get picked up. There would be certain exceptions to this due diligence argument, especially if the person had run away from their charges. Due diligence and shelter rule issues seem to be the most prevalent when I am able to get the case dismissed, because I can usually see those issues ahead of time when talking to people during the free consultation. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Brian Sloan in Phoenix, Arizona at 480-245-5319 or visit him on the web at www.arizdui.com.